Okay, next. So this one has been fixed. Okay, there's no need for you to capture these small trees. Okay? Again, what's the rule for trees? For forest?
Ignore.
Ignore. Okay.
Ignore.
How about for water? What's the rule for water?
Big errors.
Swimming pool not included.
There are some missing parts of a building here. So again, who's this? So again, you have to capture this mist. And there are some missed parts here. See, it's easy to find those missed spots. Okay. That's good. And I'm using a different kind of ID, guys. So if I'm a labeler, those would have been edited. Okay, for this one, it's very clear it was not drawn properly, right? So who's the labeler? And the checker. So you can use the Z tool or the X tool. I'd suggest use the X tool because it's creating a straight line for you. See? Almost correct. So this is already fine. So I can go ahead and submit my task. Are we clear, guys?
Clear.
Any questions? Concern? Backyard house. What do you mean backyard house? Shed? If it's a shed, yes. This is a standard building repair project. So every building has to be captured. Alt S, I suggest. Control S, no need. What else? Any questions, team? All clear? Any checkers, judgers in this meeting? Who's the checkers? Any checkers? There are any checkers here, please also guide your teammates. Okay? Because they've been submitting some poor tasks recently from the labeler side. So make sure that you get things covered as well. Pool with glass roof. Still capture. Yes. It's part of the building. Good question, guys. Swimming pool? No, we don't capture swimming pool. But if the swimming pool is covered with a glass roof, like the question of Romel Tumala, you should capture it. Are we clear? No more rules in left and right, up and down, neighbor quantity. So far, since there's a mask and you only have a small portion of the mask is being shown, then you have to capture what's touching it. But if it's a full grid, you follow the grid rules. Solarium, yeah, solarium, they call it. I'm not sure if they understand solarium. So how about guys from India? Do you understand what we mean by solarium? This is a solarium, guys. Images. Covered pools are solarium, like this one. So you can see it's technically covered. Okay, it's just that it's clear, covered with glass. It depends. So another one. So as long as it's a covered pool, you can capture the entire area. But if the pool is not covered, then do not capture it. Clear? Okay lang. Yes. Actually, you should press F3. Okay? So if you press F3, the forest will be gone. You will be able to focus with the building. But if you press F3 again, the buildings will be gone. You can focus on the forest. So even if you draw the building in the forest, for example, this is just an example, guys. If you draw the forest big enough, and then you put them back together, you'll see they're overlapping, right? But that's okay. But if you do it with them all switched on, it won't happen. Just like the regular land cover. So you can say it's a combination of land cover and standard building repair. Clear?
Clear.
All right, good. Any more questions, team? Concerns, violent reactions? Only the buildings that highlighted in green should be worked. Any building that's touching on the green, work on it. All right? So please disseminate information to your teammates, to your group mates. Make sure we got this covered, okay? Especially for those who came in late. All right. Thank you, guys. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.